Taylor, can you hold still? Let me get a picture.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Smile.
You okay, Lucy?
Tay, can you make it? How does Elsa,
You okay?
Elsa look?
Do you want to take a picture?
Look at me. Tay, look
Are you
at
goofy?
Say.
Are you goofy?
Yep, I love you.
Yep.
Hey, look
Hi, Graham.
Look what?
Graham,
Look that.
go on. Look at Elsa truck. Elsa.
In your Elsa dress. Hey, can you say, Tay, say Lucy. Say Lucy.
Did I get in your picture?
Take a picture with Jenna.
No.
She wants a picture with you.
But my hair. Okay, fine.
It's just for Taylor. Come here.
Hurry up and take it.
That
Okay.
one's Lucy too. Let's get all the girls.
All of it. Lucy.
Hang on. Come here. Lucy. Tay. Taylor. Stop. Not right here in your face. When you see Elsa, does she have her hair in her face? How does she look? She says, the cold never bothered me anyway. Can you say that? Can you say let it go? You gotta hold on. Can you say let it go?
Graham, come here.
Say let it go.
Hi, buddy. No, Lucy. No. We're eating. We're eating. Come on, Graham. What do you want? Hey, guess what? We're gonna have mac and cheese. Do you like Do you want to have num-nums? Okay, come on.